All right, those were my cooked jumbo shells that I flipped and put in my muffin tin. Now I'm gonna bring in my Rao's Alfredo, and we are just gonna pour a little bit of that Alfredo into each of our little jumbo shells. This is such an easy and delicious Italian dinner. I love making this when I need a quick, delicious dinner. It's just a few ingredients, so easy and tasty. All right, once we get our Alfredo in there, we'll be able to add our next ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna use about 3/4 of this jar. This is really yummy. You can make your own Alfredo though if you want. Now I'm gonna come in with some bacon bits. Oh my goodness, these are so delicious. We're just gonna kind of shake just like that, just a little bit in here. This is gonna be so good, you guys. I absolutely love Alfredo, bacon, and what's coming next is just gonna pull all these flavors together. Just quickly get a nice little like teaspoon of bacon bits in there. You can use fresh bacon if that's what you prefer, but these are just as easy. Yummy. All right, now I have my rotisserie chicken that I kind of cut up into different pieces, and this is just seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper, and we are gonna put, you know, a few strips of that chicken right into our Alfredo sauce. Look how it just sinks right in there. So yummy, so delicious. You can add as little or as much as you like. I'm just using the white meat, but if you like the dark meat, you can also use the dark meat. Ooh. But we're gonna quickly get these filled up with chicken. All right, they all have chicken in there, and the flavors we're going for are chicken, bacon, ranch. So we are gonna just do a nice little sprinkle of our ranch seasoning. You can season this however you like. Keep it with the Alfredo flavors and just do some onion powder and some garlic powder. You can just keep it simple with salt and pepper, but personally, I love chicken bacon ranch, and I especially love it with some Alfredo to keep it Italian. Oh my goodness, look how delicious these are coming together. Just a nice little light sprinkle. If you don't like ranch seasoning, like I said, switch it out for something you do like. Oh, so good, you guys. Now we know this is missing an important ingredient, some cheese. So I'm just using some Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna just sprinkle that right on top. Do a nice little generous amount of Parmesan, because this is really what's gonna hold everything together into that noodle that we did. This is such an easy, quick trick I like to do. I've seen people do this with lasagna, with meatballs, but I am a chicken bacon ranch Alfredo girl, so that's what we're going for with this recipe. Just a nice little sprinkle of Parmesan, because cheese makes everything better. Sometimes it's butter, but most of the time it's cheese. Woo. Okay, last one. Delicious. All right, now to add a little bit of color, make it look more appetizing, we're gonna do some chopped parsley on top. This is just really gonna make them look beautiful when we take them out of the oven. Okay, so good, so easy. I love, you know, just buying a rotisserie chicken for this, so I don't even have to cook the chicken. You really just have to cook the noodles. And then these are gonna go in the oven for, you know, super quick. So you can pre-cook the noodles if you like, and then your dinner will be almost complete for when you come home after work and wanna throw together a quick dinner. Perfect. Ooh, looks so good, you guys. All right, my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for like 25 minutes, so quick. All right, you guys, these look absolutely incredible. So yummy, so delicious. It is time to give them a try. I'm just gonna grab my spoon, and we should just be able to spoon these out. I did use a silicone muffin tin, so you don't have to grease it. Look at that. Looks so good, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and grab another one. You can use these as an appetizer, as a dinner, whatever you want. They're so delicious. You can customize them to your liking. Oh, perfect. I think 3 is gonna be just enough for me. All right, it's time to give these a try, and you just pick up your little noodle and give it a bite. So tasty, you guys. Literally the perfect dinner appetizer.